All right, so I just got this 5 kilogram technique bar from Everymate Fitness. And in this video, we're gonna open it up, test it out, and give you my first impressions. Hey, my name's Mike Behrens. I have been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years. I've been married for 14. I got 3 daughters and have been a home gym owner for over a decade. And one of the things about having a home gym is that as my daughters are getting older, they're gonna wanna start working out in here. So I wanted to get a bar that they could start learning how to lift with and do different things with. My oldest daughter plays hockey, and so she's gonna need to be a little bit stronger. So I wanted to get a good bar that they could start to learn to lift with. And that's where this bar came in. It's 5 kilograms, so that's 11 pounds. It'll be real light, but it's a full width, full size bar so that you can put it on a rack and my daughters can start to learn different movements. Okay, so now let's open it up and see what it's gonna be and how I'm gonna like it. Came shipped pretty easy. Definitely an affordable bar. That was one of the things I liked about it, is I'm not breaking the bank to get a bar that my daughters may or may not use. Comes in a, oh, I think I got it upside down here. Flip it over, inside the tube. Slide it right out. Oh, look at that. Blue. Nice. Black handle, black bar. This is an aluminum bar. Oh man, that's a nice looking bar. It looks sharp. The blue is different. I've never seen a blue bar like this before, so it looks pretty cool. Got a black handles, black bar in the middle. Blue sleeves. Yeah, feels pretty good. I like it. The knurling feels really good. So a couple things about this bar is it is a little bit thinner, so it's not going to be your standard bar thickness of 28.5 millimeters. It's 25 millimeters. It's an aluminum bar. I've seen conflicting reports that it will hold up to 150 pounds, which I find a little crazy for a 11 pound bar. Why would you want to put 150 pounds on it? But maybe it holds that. I don't know. So I'll have to check, test it out and see if it does without bending the bar. Height wise, I'm 6'5", and this is probably right at 6 foot in length, would be my guess. It seems like a really nice bar. If I lift with it, you know, I mean, I'm not really a bar aficionado. I don't get into all the geeking out over the different types of bars, the different things that bars can do. I think from a training perspective, as long as you can put some freaking weights on it and lift with it, it works. This is the standard 2-inch sleeve, so any standard bumper plates that you have will fit on here. The sleeves are not very long. I mean, maybe 10-inch sleeves on the sides. So you're not gonna load it up, but you shouldn't be anyways. It's a technique bar. It's just for learning how to move. But this would be a great starter bar for a kid to learn how to do it. I'm excited to have my daughters try this and see what they think. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this out on the squat rack, see how it fits, and then put some of my weights on it and see how those slide on and off, if they slide smooth or not, see if the collars fit so that it'll be a good training bar. But again, I really don't think you're gonna be putting that much weight on it. Fits like a standard bar would. There's plenty of space here on the ends, so it'd be easy to load. Got a 10-pound bumper plate that I'll put on the side here. Slides right on, nice and easy. Another 10-pound bumper that I'll slide on here. Grab a couple collars, put some collars on it, see how those go on. Oh, I'll slide on, super easy. Pull it out. Yep, feels pretty good. I mean, it feels like a small bar. It's an aluminum bar. Doesn't feel as heavy duty as a standard Olympic bar, but it's good enough for getting started. And I can see my daughters using this and feeling good and feeling strong because they're getting to use an actual bar. All right, so I really think this bar is a great addition to my home gym. I think my daughters are gonna love it, having a bar that can be theirs, that they can work with. If you're a dad and you got kids and you want them to get started, but you want them to feel like they're having a real bar and they're not quite ready for a 45-pound bar, this 11 pound 10 or 5 kilogram bar would be a great addition, great way to get them started. I mean, we'll see how it holds up over time. This is my first time using it, first time testing it out, so we'll see how it lasts over some use. I'm going to test it out over the next month, and then I will do an updated review on that, so stay tuned to the channel. But so far, So good. And for the price, I think it's pretty affordable. Great way to get your kids excited about working out. Or if you're new to working out and you want to get started with a little bit lighter bar, this would be a great way to get started. Not going to be able to go super heavy eventually. So you're going to want to have to upgrade at some point. But for right now, getting started, this is a great bar to get started with and a great bar for your kids to get started with. Or if you're the kind of guy that wants to learn those cool Olympic movements and you want a bar to train with, this is, after all, it's called a technique bar. So it's great to learn Olympic style movements that you might not be comfortable with without doing it with a lot of weight. It's a good way to have a feel of a bar in your hand, but not be overblown with the weight. So I'll leave an affiliate link in the description so you can check this out if you want to, and stay tuned to the channel for more videos, more reviews, more tips and insights for men leading with purpose. I'll see you in the next video. Pull it out. Yep, feels pretty good.